Well, just like with any other year, this year also we are going to see a Pixel A series smartphone, which is geared more towards the budget-friendly audience. Last year's Pixel 3a and the 3a XL were really popular. Many people loved them. They easily outsold the Pixel 3 and 3 XL because they offered the same great camera hardware at a much affordable cost. This year, once again, we are expected to see a Pixel 4a, but there are a few changes which are kind of noteworthy, at least based on the leaks. So here's everything that's latest with the Pixel 4a leaks. Well, first up, there's just going to be one device this year. There is no 4a and a 4a XL. There's just a one screen size for anyone who wants to buy a Pixel 4a. They're getting a 5.8-inch display, which is kind of a sweet spot for many people. It's not too big. At the same time, because of the lack of bezels, it's not too small either. It's definitely good enough screen real estate for pretty much everything that you do on your phone. There are some obvious changes in the design here. I mean, the rear camera assembly looks to be the same as the Pixel 4, but there is only one camera sensor. It's missing the telephoto sensor which is present on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, but who really cares? I mean, if it was something like a wide-angle sensor, then sure, that would have been missed with the 4a. But Google chose the telephoto sensor because they thought it makes more sense.
So while wide-angle can be fun, we think telephoto is more important.
Yeah, sure. You played yourself, Google. I mean, it feels like their own phone is trying to butcher their flagship lineup. The Pixel 4a has a cleaner design and it has the same camera which is present on the 4. So you're getting the single camera with the same resolution and same great software features with just no telephoto zoom camera. But I mean, who really uses telephoto these days? It's 2020, come on guys. Interestingly enough, the Pixel 4a doesn't have any of those half-baked useless radar sensing features, and it relies on a fingerprint sensor on the back for unlocking, which is a lot more reliable and secure if you ask me, as compared to the 3D Ultra whatever face unlock. And since there is no high-end radar technology on it, the screen is similar to the Galaxy S10e with a punch hole camera and no gigantic forehead. So you're getting better screen real estate with the Pixel 4a, which is supposed to be a worse model than their 4 and 4 XL models. This is stupid. I mean, it's great for us, the consumers, but it's stupid for them because the same company made two different phones which are drastically different in terms of the value for money. You're paying so much for the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, and you're getting a crappy device with mediocre specs and below average performance, and not to mention the piss poor retail value. So it might be sad that some people who are looking for a bigger phone don't have that option with the 4a XL, but at least you're getting a phone which is better than the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. And guess what the Pixel 4a has which the flagships don't? A headphone jack. I mean, sure, it's on the top and not on the bottom like all the other phones have. Great companies like LG got some shit for it because they always kept the headphone jack on top on their G series phones but kept it on the bottom with their V series phones. But I guess at least I can't complain because they have kept the headphone jack around. Not something that the Pixel 4 and 4 XL can say about themselves. The body is made out of plastic, but that's okay. It's missing wireless charging and things, but is the average consumer really going to be bothered by the lack of wireless charging? You're just paying around $400 for this. I mean, it's almost half the price of a Pixel 4 XL, and you're getting the same great camera performance for all your social media needs. At least I hope so, because the Pixel 3a and a 3a XL were fantastic options under $400. I really hope the Pixel 4a is not bumped up in price. That would suck, really. So as long as it keeps under the $400 margin, the Pixel 4a will be the new favorite phone for a majority of people, and it will absolutely destroy the Pixel 4 and 4 XL when it comes to the overall sales. This speaks good news for those who are looking for the premium flagship in the first place, because after the 4a comes out, the demand for the Pixel 4 and 4 XL will naturally go down, meaning that you will be able to score one for a much lesser price than the retail price. I don't recommend doing that because the Pixel 4 has pretty bad battery life, something which the 4a drastically improves upon. But yeah, if you absolutely need to have the unique orange color option,
oh so orange,
the wireless charging and things, and if you don't want the headphone jack, then sure, get the Pixel 4 as opposed to the 4a. But for everyone else, the Pixel 4a makes a ton of sense, and I can't wait for the phone to launch. Okay, well, there you have it. Those were all the latest leaks on the Pixel 4a. Let me know what you think about this phone in the comments down below. Check out my other channel for some more techie content, and don't forget to visit my blog, dopetechfever.com. Take it easy, and I will see you soon. Cheers.